me the number of hours to do something times an hourly rate, therefore ipso facto whatever the bill is what it's worth. Rather, corporate counsel is now saying, no, this case right here is only worth $50,000 for us to defend. Because if we went any higher, we could settle this thing for 55 or less, kind of a thing. So we don't want to spend more than X amount of dollars on this case. So now the firm that wants to take it at that rate has suddenly got to extrapolate and say, well, wait a minute, how many human hours is it going to take for legal professionals? How many of those hours are going to be lawyer hours? How many of those hours are going to be paralegal hours? What if this thing goes through trial? How do I then allocate and sprinkle the available dollars that have been given to me throughout the entire case so that by the time it gets to trial, I haven't run out of money for both fees and costs? What are the costs going to cost? What if out of the $50,000 flat fee, 30 of it was going to be costs for experts and depositions and subpoenas? Then that would leave me only $20,000 to take the case from cradle to grave. How will I know that? The bottom line is you can't have this kind of value challenge initiative unless you start to bring in things like budgeting, project management, and process improvement. In other words, if a value-based fee structure is anything other than the billable hour, it is impossible to profitably integrate such value-based fee structures unless you have project management, process improvement, and budgeting capabilities in place. And when corporate America realized we want value-based fee structures, and we won't get those unless and until firms start to get on the project management bandwagon, that was when they started a website to be able to enable lawyers to find resources for this. And that's why I'm directing you in part to their website. But another way of looking at it is this. Legal project management is all about value.